Hi, this is Chris, and we are taking a look at question number 15 here in section 4 of this SAT practice test. And here we see the graph showing growth of bacteria populations. We have two populations. It says bacteria A is represented by the solid line, and bacteria B is represented by the dotted line in the graph shown above. Which of the following statements is true? So, to figure out what's true, let's take a look at our options. It says A is growing at a linear rate, B is growing at an exponential rate. Well, let's talk about what that would look like. So when they say linear, a linear rate, the root word there is line. Growing at a linear rate would just mean that it's a line that is increasing. And we see that A is actually curved. A is not a line, but A would be the exponential increase. Anything that you see curved is indicating an exponential relationship. And in this case, bacteria B, the dashed line or the dotted line, that would be the linear rate. That's going in a straight line in that upward or growth direction. So A is growing at a linear rate. That's not true. It's actually B that's linear. B is growing at an exponential rate. So as we said, that would be the curved line and indicating that there's an exponent defining its growth, and that's not true for B. B is the straight line. So for answer choices A and B, they just switched those around. For C, neither is growing at a linear rate. Well, that's not true. One of them is linear. It's bacteria B that we saw as a linear rate. So our correct answer here is going to be D. Bacteria B is growing linearly. That's the straight line that we see. And then bacteria A is growing exponentially. That's that curved line that we see. And that matches exactly what we see in our graph. So our correct answer to question 15 is answer choice D.